So many students sometimes ask me one question, Sir, what is the total number of parts of speech? I get confused. Even they are also getting confused. As a result, they come to me because some teachers tell that it is 8 kinds of parts of speech. Sometimes some teachers coming and tell that it is 9 kinds of parts of speech. But let me tell you, it is one of the greatest confusions ever I have faced with my students. If someone would come and tell me that there are 8 kinds of parts of speech, but as a teacher I would say correct. If somebody would come and tell me 9 kinds of parts of speech, still I would say that it is correct. Now question is how 2 answers could be correct. This is another question would come from other people. So I have the clarification, I have the answers, let me tell you. Please do not try to skip this video. Watch till the end to get the complete answer, okay? So when the answer is 8, that you might be talking about noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Is it right? Okay, it's fine. It is correct because you can see this kind of words in the grammar books, as I have also studied more than 25 grammar books. It's correct. If somebody would say wrong, you can just produce the book as a proof. Nobody would cut the books, okay? That's the thing. Number 2, if somebody would come that there are 9 kinds of parts of speech, according to me, this is also correct. This is also correct when people would come and tell me 9 kinds of parts of speech, because I have studied the books. And after studying the books, I could tell you that when it comes to 9, we always add one extra which we miss in some books. That is called determiner. Yes, determiner always we miss or we omit when we talk about 8. But when it comes to 9, determiner has to be added. Then problem solved. But still here is a confusion. That confusion you must understand, and this confusion you could come out once you closely observe. This point is only for teachers actually. Those who try to teach the students, you also should be aware of this fact that I'm going to discuss here. When a student would come and tell me there are 8 kinds of parts of speech, still correct. If another student would come and tell me there are 9 kinds of parts of speech, still that is fine. But if somebody would ask you the question, what are the main 8 kinds of parts of speech, at the time, as a teacher, you have to be careful. Because you cannot call that noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. These are the main kinds of parts of speech. We can't tell in this way. Here, the world famous grammar books talking about this, and after studies, I have come to the conclusion that when it comes to 8 main kinds of parts of speech, you have to eliminate that one called interjection. Yes, instead of interjection, you have to bring determiner into that. That means noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, determiner. These are 8 kinds of parts of speech when we are talking about main or fundamental or primary. So I hope that in this video I have cleared 3 things. 1, what are the kinds of parts of speech, and which one is the correct answer, and what is the confusion behind the main 8 kinds of parts of speech. All these things I cleared in this video. If you like this video, please try to subscribe the channel and try to share this information with your friends, colleagues, and those people who want to learn. So I'll be back with another tip in my next video. Till then, keep watching. Thank you.